Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 2, Day 5. We're going to start by reading some words. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, light. 3, 2, 1, bite. 3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1, shine. 3, 2, 1, while. Okay, this word, let's read it. Side, change the s to t. Tide, change the d to o. Tile, change the t to m. Mile, change the m to p. Pile, change the o to p. Pipe, get rid of the e. Cover that up. Pip, change the first p to rip. Add an e at the end. Ripe, add a g at the beginning. Gripe, change the gr to w. Wipe, change the p to s. Wise, change the w to rise, change the s to d. Ride, get rid of the e. Rid, change the to h. Hid, add an e to the end. Hide. And here are our words. I'll give you 3 seconds to read them. 3, 2, 1, bite. 3, 2, 1, pipe. 3, 2, 1, piles. 3, 2, 1, dimes. 3, 2, 1, slid. 3, 2, 1, dine. 3, 2, 1, quite. 3, 2, 1, rides. 3, 2, 1, gates. 3, 2, 1, slide. 3, 2, 1, 5. 3, 2, 1, ripe. 3, 2, 1, bikes. 3, 2, 1, bites. 3, 2, 1, slim. 3, 2, 1, hide. 3, 2, 1, vine. 3, 2, 1, sides. 3, 2, 1, skates. 3, 2, 1, slime. 3, 2, 1, inside. 3, 2, 1, lime. 3, 2, 1, smiles. 3, 2, 1, spikes. 3, 2, 1, white. 3, 2, 1, mine. 3, 2, 1, sunshine. 3, 2, 1, lives. 3, 2, 1, cakes. 3, 2, 1, while. Okay, so let's look at this. So remember, when an S is added to a noun or naming word, it makes the word plural. So side becomes sides. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay, so bike becomes bikes. Okay. File becomes files. Wave becomes waves. Mile becomes miles. Maze becomes mazes. Here the is. Shapes become shapes. Okay, so remember, if a word ends, let me see. I'll talk to you about that later. So let's continue. Here are our high frequency words. Green, 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 green. My new bike is green and white. Grow, 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 grow. The grass will grow. Pretty, 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 pretty. This is a pretty dress. Should, 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 should. When should I come to see you? Oh, sorry everyone, I didn't mean to do that. 1 second, there we go. Gotta go clear down. 1 second. Okay, we are on together. Together, 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 together. We can play together. Water, 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 water. Do you want to drink of water? Okay, now we learned this story at the beginning of the week, and I think it might be easier now that we finished the week and learning about Super E with I. So I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. Together, a ripe lime. Here's some words. 3, 2, 1. The 3, 2, 1 is 3, 2, 1. You 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I 3, 2, 1. On. Okay, you gotta go first. A ripe lime. Okay, your turn. Together, the lime is ripe. You can pick it. Okay, your turn. Together, pick a fat ripe lime. You can tap a fat lime. Okay, here's our next one, your turn. Together, pick a fine pile. Set 10 in a line. Okay, your turn. Together, Sam can bite on a lime. Rob can sip it. Your turn. Together, I like a ripe lime. Was that easier for you at the end of the week? I am sure it was because you've been practicing and your brain is growing. Okay, let's look at this last part. So we've also been talking about verbs. When we have one thing, an animal, a person, we add an S to the verb. So if I'm saying cat, I'd say the cat naps. I add an S. But if I have more than one cat, the cats nap. I don't add an S. Okay, so let's look at this. Nate and Chuck blank with the dog. So do we have more than one person? We do. We have 2 people, so we're not going to add the S. We could say Nat and Chuck run with the dog. Okay, let's look at the next one. I blank down the hill. Maybe you want to say hold on one second, I'm thinking about this. So I blank down the hill. So let's look at that. Let's say I run. I run down the hill. Now, even though this is one person, it didn't say a name. If I had said Jane, I'd say Jane runs down the hill. But because it's talking about you, yourself, you wouldn't say I runs down the hill. You'd say I run. But if you had Jane, you'd put Jane runs down the hill. Okay, last one. The rabbit blank in the grass. What do rabbits do? They hop. And how many rabbits are there? This one. The rabbit hops in the grass. Okay, so if I have 2 or more, I don't put an S. And if it's I or you, I'd say you run, I run, then we don't add an S. So 2 or more people or things, I or you don't add an S. But if I'm saying the name or one thing, so like the dog sleeps, I do add an S. When I'm talking about one animal or one person by name, Jane, John, Jack. So add an S when it's more. Hold on, let me erase this really fast so I can help you make sense of it. So I say add an S when it's one thing, animal, or person by name. Okay, so the cat sleeps, the dog jumps, Jane hops, Jane skips. Don't add an S, I'm going to put an X. 2 or more animals or people, or if you say I or you. So you would say, let me start right here. I jump down the hill. You wouldn't say jumps. You jump down the hill. They jump down the hill. But if it's she jumps. He jumps. Or a person by name, John jumps. Okay? I hope that makes a little more sense. Bye, everyone.